Just gonna do a quick video of this Generac diesel generator. I'll have all the particulars in the description down below, but mainly wanted to show you how it starts and runs, functions like it should. So you just give you a quick little demo. So when you buy it, turn the power on right there and start. Preheat for a minute, 30 seconds max, a little preheat. Boom. Thing purrs like a kitten. Shut her down. That's it. So if you need a generator, we got a couple of them. This one's diesel. We got a few other propane, natural gas ones. Anyways, there you have it. Start bidding, and we will see you preview day Friday before the sale, the day before, 9 to 4. Thanks for watching.